Which option given here is incorrect related to the diamagnetic materials property? It's known that diamagnetic material have a negative magnetic susceptibility, and it's known that susceptibility will be represented by using a symbol chi, and it will be always represented as -1 less than or equal chi less than 0, which means the given option C is correct for a diamagnetic material. It's known that relative permeability is related to susceptibility, and relative permeability will be represented by the letter mu r. And it's known that the relation between mu r and the susceptibility is nothing but mu r is equal 1 plus chi. For -1 less than or equal chi less than 0, we can write the permeability as 0 less than or equal mu r less than 1. So we can say option given here as a B is correctly representing the property of diamagnetic material. So option B is also correct here. Let us talk about absolute permeability. Absolute permeability is nothing but, let us talk about solute permeability, which will be represented by the letter mu. It's known that the absolute permeability is always related with relative permeability, and it can be written as mu is equal mu naught times mu r. Since we solved 0 less than mu r less than 1 will be the relation between relative permeability and susceptibility. Here we can write mu will be greater than, will be less than mu naught based on a absolute permeability and relative permeability relation. So based on this, we can say option A given here is also correctly representing the property of diamagnetic material. Whereas option 4 is incorrect for a diamagnetic material, as mu r is always less than 1, not greater than 1. So option D is a wrong relation related with diamagnetic material. So option D will be the correct answer for this question.